All right, guys. Good evening. You're welcome to today again. Basically, I want to do general review of what the indicator did throughout today. What it was able to pinpoint throughout the day. So, if you were to look at the indicator and use that as your yardstick to trading, so what could you have actually done? For me, I really based on major two pairs, so GJ and gold, and we did very well on those two pairs today. But let's just have a picture of how the indicator would have helped you if you had traded with the indicator or across all pairs today. So I'm not advising if you're getting the indicator that you probably just use it across all pairs. All right. It's good that when you're a trader, you uh stick stick to maybe a few pairs and generally not all. So it will help you to really streamline your performance, and you'll be good at one thing first before you can start moving into every other pair. So let's just have a view of what the indicator will have done. So okay, yeah, I gave an analysis for Euro USD for a long movement, a buy activity today. So and yeah, so if you had the indicator, you would have all right. So you got a volume pop, price push, exhaustion candle, retrace back, and this will have given you about 30 something pips thereabout. So that was what the indicator will have done. So, and that was during the Asian session. And yeah, basically Asian session. So, and we have also looked at this pair. So this volume was also very good. It was a very good volume to look out for. Say it was higher, all right, than the previous one. Okay, but you have an exhaustion, and that will have given you about 14 pips. So that's for Euro USD. So let's look at GDP USD. So which is nice. Okay, so apparently you had the range, and price came close below. All right, that was the volume pop right there above the last volume of the buyers. And if you have looked into this, this will have given you roughly about 70 pips, 75 pips, 70, 75 pips. All right. So USD card. All right. See, yeah. So let's look at this. So during the Asian session, you had a volume pop, which was nice. And if you have gotten an entry somewhere around there, this will have given you 20 pips thereabouts. And during the London session, so if that was a very good volume pop, all right, meeting all parameters, and you would have made some profit. So let's see. Okay, so if you have gotten an entry, this will have given you 41 pips. Okay, so moving forward, USD JPY. All right, so yeah, okay, so if you have looked at this, so it wasn't VT bar, yeah, so it was fine, but you'll have got, yeah, so move 24 pips, 20 pips thereabouts. And during the New York session, so yeah, was a very good volume pop, and that will have given you about 25 pips also. So pips. Yeah, so this is one of the pair I love. One of the move I loved. I love this move today. It was nice. So it was pretty nice. So I love the fact that the volume pop came nicely. So this will have given you about 66 pips. 66 pip movement. That would have been nice. Yeah, so okay, so AUD card was just a pair that was doing pretty fine, all right, before now. So and for those who trade this pair, so yeah, so for those who trade this pair, so sorry. Yeah, so today was pretty nice. So there was no volume, until now, volume came in. Oh, sorry. So yeah, right there. So volume right there. So this will just have done not too much, maybe but 10 pips, 14 pips thereabout. So yeah, so this is another pair that so you're taking note of all this. So you have volume came up, that was nice. Volume pull back, that will have given you 29 pips, 30 pips thereabouts. So easy for you to actually pick up pips. Say that was a volume push back, and this will have given you 24 pips. So you can see how clearly you would have been able to make pips out of this volume pop. Okay. All right. That was a volume pop to the downside. So I probably would have looked into this, but then, yeah, the volume coming in from the buyers, this was strong. So there was no exhaustion candle, there was no rejection candle. So it would not have been a very good trade to take. So finally, we got a buyer's volume right there. So any trade outside this level will have given you 19 pips, right? So moving forward, so you can easily see if you just pick up a pair, you would just have made some decent profit. You can see this 23 pips thereabouts. Yeah, so volume, pretty nice, good volume right there. So this will have given you some decent pips, 25 pips. So yeah, let me check on some pairs. We can look at everything, but yeah, there are some pairs. Yeah, you can see right there. Okay, so we got some volume right there. Volume came up, sellers higher than the previous one. This will have made you 134 pips. Let's check on yeah, see, same here also. So volume pop, no exhaustion candle coming in. So price just drove back in, and we got a volume right there. Okay, so finally a pullback phase. You have 48 pips. Yeah, so let me do GJ. Yeah, GJ. Yeah, we did right here. So volume right there. We got a rejection. So we got in an entry from here. So and this give 93 pips movement. So one more. So let's look at gold. All right. Okay, so yeah, gold, we also took this volume right there, and we had 61 pips, and we closed right there. So we closed at 50 pips. Yeah, we did 50 pips close. So and right there you had push, and finally you have moved to the downside 100 pips, thereabout 100 pips. So easily you'll be able to actually pick out some very good trades. So you don't really need to go into all the pairs. All right. So you just pick your major pairs, maybe 2 pairs, and you focus on that and allow the indicator to, you probably might have done your analysis. All right. So yeah, you've done your analysis. Look at where the market is heading to, which market are you. So with that, it will help you. So you want to also have a picture of what your big guy is doing. So which direction of the market are you in? All right. So that will give you some sense of clarity as to where you would have loved to put in your money. Okay. So where you will have loved to put in your money. So right now, see, look at this on the 1 hour time frame, is practically a bullish market. All right. So yeah, a bullish market. So prices to the upside. So looking into this level right there, so which was a support and reaction. So right there, we have an opportunity to look for an opportunity to go long. So with this analysis, so you can now pan down to your lower time frame, 15 minutes time frame, and look for possible entries. Okay. So you don't just depend on the fact that, all right, we got a breakout, we got volume pop and stuff like that. So where is the market heading to? You want to know which direction. You always want to trade in the direction of the big guys, right? So, and once you have that understanding as to, okay, now I have a clear direction as to where the market is heading to, which market I am in, then I can now start looking for trades along the side. See, yeah, okay, so this was a bullish market right there on the 1 hour time frame. So price has really pushed up, so you're expecting a pullback phase, right? So, and price was somewhere around here, so we pan down to the 15 minutes time frame, so we can have a better entry and take advantage of this pullback. So right now, it was so clear that we got an entry, and that will have given you very nice movements. All right. So it's not you just get into the market and look for, yeah, you want to know where you want your direction is going. So for me right now, this trend line has not been tested, so I'll be looking forward to another push to the downside. All right. So yeah, so price might really rally up, then we'll probably be seeing another push to the downside. See, and in anticipation for that, I'm prepared to see as price react. So I now have where my direction is. So I only look for what's going to give me that opportunity. So I'm looking for a pullback. So yeah, so just take this as an analysis on the big DI time frame. So I'm looking for a push to this level to retest the support and confirm this level properly. So once we get that rejection, then we can now look for another move to the downside. All right, and retest this trend line properly. So, and hence now I know what I'm looking for, and I go down to the smaller time frame and expect how price reacts, then I can now take decision. I hope that's basic understanding of how you probably look at the market. So you have your analysis, then you can use the indicator to decide when it is time to actually join the market. All right. Thank you very much, guys. Happy trading. So tomorrow, hopefully, we'll do another section tomorrow by God's grace.